Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's video, if you signed up for Uber but you forgot to use a referral code, it's okay. I got you covered. Jump down into the video description below. If you're a driver in the US and you're a newer driver, you can use a retroactive sign-up code to get your guarantee to start driving of up to $1,000. It might be $100, $500, $700, or $1,000. But if you're a driver in the US and you need a retroactive bonus code, again, it's in the video description below. All right, check it out. And we're back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. You're here with me, checking out this video, subscribing to our channel, being awesome out there, and probably concerned, and rightfully so. Did you know, you probably do at this point, if not, hey, that's okay, that's what this video is here for. Uber has closed all of its green light hubs across the nation, and I believe Canada as well. I'm pretty certain. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty certain. And they don't plan on opening. Well, no, they said they won't. They won't be reopening until April 6th. And I'm seriously wondering if they're going to extend that, because we're hashtag trying to flatten the curve is what's going on. And it's understandable that they would do so because, anytime you have a business that has they have a lot of employees that work at those hubs, and you have tons and tons of people that go through there around the clock daily. If you've been to one, which you probably have, to get signed up to drive for Uber, you know how many people go through there on the daily, touching everything and forms and stuff like that. So I understand. Makes perfect sense. Protects their employees. Protects the drivers that are coming through. So they're shut down, which kind of sucks, and I'll tell you why. It's nice anytime. Actually, this is why it sucks. Let me tell you right now what's going on with my Uber driver app. It's glitched out. So I get on, and my earnings won't update. It's frozen at $60, and on my earnings page, I can't scroll down. So to invite people and earn, it's just frozen. It's all frozen up. And I called, usually I would go in to an Uber Greenlight hub and talk to them in person. I've actually had a great experience at the hubs. They seem to get really nice people there. I think they just get sick of dealing with people who are really mad all the time, which I understand. People go in there, they're frustrated about things. But it's not that person that you're talking to. It's not their fault. So anyway, I'm always nice and patient for the most part. Sometimes I'm like, no, you're not understanding what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. But you can do that respectfully. I digress. I've had a great experience going in there. It's nice being able to speak to people. So what has Uber said now that those are closed? They say that the majority of things you'll be able to manage either from the app. You can go scroll down to the bottom, click help. You can send in emails. I think you can chat through the app, actually. I've done that before. I forget how to do that. Or you can call. Now, if you call, one of the things is, I think you're calling India. So be prepared. I've had several calls. I've been trying to get to the bottom of my app glitch, which has not happened yet. I was told by one representative that it was a known issue right now and that tech was working on it. It should be updated soon, but that was days ago. Nothing's happened. So anyway, I've been calling a lot and customer service, and it's pretty hit or miss on getting someone that either understands you or you understand them. I've had some good experiences and some not so good experiences. So be prepared to have patience with that. I have seen that the response time is pretty quick. I haven't been sitting on hold very much, so that's good. So most things you can update online, right, if you need to. Vehicle registration, driver's license. What else would you need to send in? I'm drawing a blank. I'm sorry. Driver's license, vehicle registration, vehicle insurance. That's what I was looking for. So that stuff you can do online. A lot of stuff you can take care of pretty easily. But like my glitch thing, I would usually go in person. I'm not getting it taken care of over the phone, so that's frustrating. And, vehicle inspections. That's a big one. So if you're new, if you're signing up, which we expect to see an influx of people coming from other jobs signing up for rideshare driving, even though they're probably in for a rude awakening because this is like the worst time to start driving. You're just not going to make a lot of money, most likely. And so anyway, if you're new, you're signing up, you need to get your vehicle inspected. There are third-party places, certified mechanics that you can still go to in your area. You should be able to find that online. Google search certified Uber mechanics for vehicle inspection, something of that nature. If you have done that, you have figured it out, let us know what city you're in, what you searched for, how you figured it out, so that way new drivers or people that need to renew their vehicle inspection can get that figured out so they can get driving. Okay, so April 6th, that's when they're supposed to open up again. Hopefully that is the case. Hopefully you're figuring out a way to make money in the meantime, all my rideshare drivers out there. I'm going to start selling things on the street corner, making lemonade, because I make bomb lemonade. Maybe I'll open up a juice stand, Jake's Juice. I love fresh juice. Yeah, I'm kind of hippie like that. Okay. Anyway, you guys, that's what I got for you. Thoughts, feedback, feelings, concerns, suggestions, all that info, jump down in the comment section below. Get at me. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here. Subscribe to our channel. And until the next time, stay safe out there, everyone.